Hello everybody! In this video I'll try Alesto peanut kernels, roasted and salted. I bought these at Lidl and I think the price was 69 euro cents. And here it says, Germany's most selling brand, #1. Didn't know that. Here you can see the nutrition information. Peanuts have a lot of fat, so it's really high in calories, I would say. So 100 grams have 619 calories and we have 200 grams here. So we have 1238 calories. Peanut kernels, roasted and salted. Yeah, and the ingredients are only peanut kernels, sunflower oil and table salt. Let's open it. So this is what it looks like. I can already smell the salt. I have one question. If somebody knows it, please write in the comments so that everybody can see it. I don't know if there's a reason for the oil in the ingredients. Speculation. #1, the oil is for the salt to stick to the peanuts. #2, the oil is there for the peanuts not to dry out and thus last longer. #3, the oil is there so that the peanuts don't burn too quickly when they get roasted. Or, yeah, it's only for the taste. But I have no idea. Nice. I have not eaten peanuts for several months or years maybe, although I love peanuts. Okay, I had some Snickers, but I think you know what I mean. Yeah, nice. But I also like the unsalted peanuts, I have to say. But nice. Not too salty, but I would say I could eat more of the unsalted peanuts, because when you eat the salted peanuts, the salt gets quickly too much. But yeah, it's nice.